doesn't need a goodbye song for the end of the school year? If you're in elementary school, you are not alone. Everyone needs a goodbye song or chant or phrase to send their kids off for the summer. So in this video, I'll be sharing some easy to sing, learn, do goodbye songs. Most of them are to the tunes of, you guessed it, nursery rhymes. I'm so glad you're here today. Thanks for coming and watching this video. I hope you'll take a second and hit that subscribe button and let other teachers know that this channel has things they can use in their classroom. So let's get started with the songs. This song is called I'll Always Remember You. It's also on the Sing, Play, Create Kids channel. It's just the lyrics and the music so you can sing along with it. Check the description for the link to that video. That will make it super easy for you to use in your classroom. It's also a freebie in the Sing, Play, Create freebie group resource library. Okay, the lyrics to the song go like this. School is over, yes, it's true. We love the things we got to do. We made friends with everyone. And then you want to change the word to fit your situation. So if you're preschool or kindergarten, you could say, kindergarten class was so much fun, or music class was so much fun, or movement class or art class was so much fun, or use your name like Mrs. Jones class was so much fun. School is over, yes, it's true, and I'll always remember you. Here's how the song goes. School is over, yes, it's true. We love the things we got to do. We made friends with everyone. Music class was so much fun. School is over, yes, it's true, and I'll always remember you. At the end of the song, I like to have the students point to someone, and I'll always remember you. This is a fun song to sing in a circle. I start teaching it about 4 weeks before the last class or the last week of school, so that by the time we get to the last day, they can dance around and sing it and, shake hands as they're singing it or wave. And it's just a fun end of year connecting with your friend, remember you, always type song that is easy to learn. And like I said, you can get this as a freebie with the lyrics, the sheet music, and you can watch the video or listen to the song on Spotify. The next song I adapted from a French folk tune, and it's just Goodbye My Friends, Goodbye. This song is also on the Sing, Play, Create Kids music channel, and you can listen to the song on all of your favorite music stations. And I made a freebie that has the lyrics and a poster you can put up so the kids can read the words. Goodbye my friends, goodbye. And I have them wave while they're saying this, and we do it in a circle. Goodbye my friends, goodbye. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. I've also used this song as a lineup song, so you can start singing it and teach your students to know that this is now the time, go line up. If you're teaching ukulele too, this one's super easy to teach them on the ukulele or the guitar. It's just C. And then at the very end, we go to G7, back to C. So it's super easy to sing and play. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Now another thing you can do with this song is change the word goodbye to a word in another language like adios or sayonara. Adios, my friends, adios. Adios, my friends, adios. Adios, my friends, adios, my friends, adios, my friends, adios. my friend, sayonara. Sayonara, my friend, sayonara. Sayonara, my friends, sayonara, my friends, sayonara, my friends, sayonara. This next song is a freebie too. It's just end of year goodbye song, sung to Shoo Fly, Don't Bother Me. Goodbye to all my friends, goodbye to all my friends, goodbye to all my friends, goodbye my friends, goodbye. I'm playing this song in the key of D, and I'm just going from D to A7. Goodbye to all my friends, goodbye to all my friends, goodbye to all my friends, goodbye my friends, goodbye. Now we've got a couple verses we can do. We can say, have a good summer. Have a good summer, have a good summer, have a good summer, goodbye my friends, goodbye. I'll see you in the fall. Ooh, I'll see you in the fall. Oh, fall down. I'll see you in the fall, I'll see you in the fall, I'll see you in the fall, goodbye my friends, goodbye. The other thing I like about this song is if you're doing it with second, third, even fourth grade, you can have them make up some verses. So at this point, you can stop, have them break into some groups, come up with a line, have a great summer, I hope you eat a lot, or I hope your pizza's hot. You can have them come up with just a one sentence phrase where they can then come back and in your groups go around the circle and then have everybody sing that line and then finish the song with goodbye my friends, goodbye. So it makes for a nice interactive activity that also leaves everyone with a nice good feeling of inclusion and a happy memory for the end of the school year. Something that I like to do when I was teaching music is to teach a song to the class that they would then sing to the teacher. So this song is just called Goodbye Teacher, and it's sung to Frère, Jacques, or Are You Sleeping? Goodbye teacher, good, there's the echo, goodbye teacher, we'll miss you, we'll miss you, have a happy summer, have a happy summer, we thank you, and then I have them do the thank you, we thank you, we thank you. Goodbye teacher, goodbye teacher, we'll miss you, we'll miss you. Have a happy summer, have a happy summer, we thank you, we thank you. In the younger grades, you could have them blow a kiss, or a hug, or I love you, something to their teacher like in pre-K, kindergarten, even first grade. It's also nice to have a song that the student can sing to the volunteers that have come to help. So if you're putting on a little program for the parent organization and you need to have a song, this one would work. It's pretty easy to learn. It's sung to Mary Had a Little Lamb. And it's called Thank You to Our Volunteers. And these are the words. Thank you to our volunteers, volunteers, volunteers. Thank you to our volunteers. We thank you from our hearts. You helped us to learn and grow, learn and grow, learn and grow. You helped us to learn and grow, and your time and caring shows. I would probably keep the action simple on this, just thank you to our volunteers, and I would teach the kids to look out and smile. Like you're saying thank you with your eyes and with your face, your smile. Say thank you with your mannerisms, the way you present yourself. And just your time and caring shows. You could just do this, your time and caring shows. And then at the end, a thank you works really well for that song too. Thank you to our volunteers, 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 thank you to our volunteers. We thank you from our hearts. You helped us to learn and grow, learn and grow, learn and grow. You helped us to learn and grow, and your time and caring shows. This song is School is Over, and it's sung to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And I like it because it includes all the different subject areas, or many of the subject areas that are in the elementary school. School is over, yes, it's true. We have learned so much from you. Math and reading, science, art. Music too makes us smart. School is over, yes, it's true. Thank you, teacher, we love you. School is over, yes, it's true. We have learned so much from you. Math and reading, science, art. Music too makes us smart. School is over, yes, it's true. Thank you, teacher, we love you. And my last goodbye song is super easy. It's to the tune of Frère, Jacques, and so you can sing it and then have the kids repeat after you, which will make it even faster to learn. Goodbye, friends. I'll miss you. Have a happy summer. See you next year. The last group of those songs is part of the memory book and songs packet that I have that are for classroom teachers, with lots of fun memory worksheet activities, journal activities that they can do those last 2 weeks of school. Now is a good time to hit the subscribe button so you get notifications and let other teachers know that this is a channel that will help them in their classroom. Wishing you a really great end of the school year. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.